Hi, welcome to Neo-Japanese Cooking. I'm Chef Keiji. In this video, I'm gonna make Champuru. Champuru is Okinawan-style stir-fried tofu and vegetables. Let's start cooking Champuru. Here's ingredients. Bitter melon, tofu, eggs, Bonito flakes, salt, ground pepper, soy sauce, cooking oil. Here's instructions. Cut bitter melon in half. Remove all seeds using spoon. Sliced bitter melon. Cut tofu into dices. Crack 3 eggs. Measure soy sauce. Use medium heat. Add cooking oil. Cook tofu. Add bitter melon. Add Bonito flakes. Add salt and pepper. Add soy sauce. Add eggs. Don't stir eggs immediately. Goya Champuru is ready. How did you like making Champuru? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or requests, you can leave it in comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.